Hello everyone, my name is Andy. So welcome to my channel Andy Learn and Share. So as I promised in my previous video, today I'll show you how to create a simple bot using UiPath RPA tool. So basically the bot will extract some report from the website and it will store into a Excel file. So let's get started. So first I'm launching my UiPath. So before the UiPath is launched, I'll show you one more thing. What is the basic requirement or what is the use case that I'm going to explain you. So this is basically the business requirement is such that the need to understand or analyze the top 30 models of iPhone and its price, specs, etc. Referring an e-retail website. Once all the models with the details are taken, then it has to be pasted on a Excel sheet to analyze. So this is the business requirement. Okay, so based on that only I have created this use case. So I'll show you, I'll explain you, don't worry if you don't understand this one. But to just explain you what the bot will do is bot will open a browser, it will type Flipkart, it will also search for iPhone, and it will extract the various details available there. It will extract top 30 details from there, and once it extract from there, it will read or it will load that what is extracted report into a Excel file. It will store into a Excel file. So I'll show you that how to do that. So these are the application used. Since I have given this one into a standard, because if you are doing any POCs or something like that, if you have a business, or if you are into RPA, or if you are interested to learn RPA, this is how the POC will be done. The business will give the use case, and based on that we have to understand and analyze, and then we have to create a as is process map. So this is what I have given, and also we need to understand what are the different application involved. So since this is only based on the web-based application, so I have used Google Chrome and Excel sheet, and the tool that I have used is the community version of UiPath. So if you don't have any licensed version of UiPath, you can easily download the UiPath from the website, and then even you can create, after seeing this video, by following this video, you can create a simple bot at home. If you are not so much into RPA, but also you can create this video. I'll explain you one by one, don't worry. So the process is it will start, open the Google Chrome and type flipkart.com. So once the Flipkart is open, then we need to search iPhone on the search bar, and then we need to type enter. So once the iPhone details are displayed, the bot has to create iPhone name, model number, specs, price, etc. So it will do all these things for the top 30 list of items. So once it will extract all the data, it will store it into a Excel sheet to review, so that once, because this is the business requirement, right? They wanted to store that top 30 iPhone details and store into a Excel sheet. So this is my business requirement. So I have already launched this UiPath. So I'm clicking onto this process. So you can name this process as Flipkart data. Oh sorry, it will not take the name will not take the space, so it was showing. So you can also give the description based on your requirement. So here I'm not giving anything, simply I'm creating this. I'm clicking on that create button. So once I create this, once I click on this create button, the UiPath Studio will open. So this portion is the editor part, this portion is the the activity part, and the right hand side is the property part. So what I'll do is I'll show you, I'll explain you what the things the bot will do. It will open the the Chrome website, and then it will type the flipkart.com, and once the Flipkart page is open, it will search for iPhone, and it will copy this all the details. Just remember one thing, before extracting any data from a website, the names or everything should be in a pattern. You can see this Apple iPhone 6s and this the second one, the rose gold 32 GB, these are in the same pattern. Even you can see the prices are also in the same pattern. even this roam, this camera, everything in a same pattern. If the details are not in pattern, then bot will not copy anything. So I'm going to the editor of UiPath. So before creating any workflow, I need to double click on this flow chart, and once I double click, or I can even drag and drop. So once I double click here, it will come here. So I double click again on that, so you can see the start button. So what I'll do is, like, I will open browser. I'll click this I'm dragging this open browser to the editor part, so you can see. So you can also give the name of this activity based on your requirement. So you can see double click to view, so I'm double clicking there. So you can see insert URL here. So I'm inserting this URL at the moment, which the bot wanted to go. So this website the bot wanted to go. So I'm copy this website here, and I'm pasting here. So as I told you that I want to open this browser in a Google Chrome. So I'm selecting here the browser type. You can see there is a radio button. So I'm clicking here, and I'm clicking on Google Chrome. So I'm closing this the website. Now I'll run the bot. I will see whether the bot will open the Flipkart website or not. So you can see in my screen there is no website open. So either you can type F5 or you can start. So I'm just clicking this start button, and the bot is opening the website Flipkart. See how quickly the bot has opened this website. So as I told you that I want to, as per the business requirement, I need to extract this different data of this Apple iPhone. So I will use the data scraping activity of this UiPath. So once I click this data scraping, it will automatically show this select element part. So I need to select on next. Once I select next, I need to just highlight what are the things I need to copy. So first I will copy the model number of the Apple iPhone 6s. So I've clicked here. So then go on to the next. As I told you that it has to be in a pattern, so that is the reason that option of next is showing. So once the data is extracted, so what should be the header name? So based on your convenience you can give the header name, but here I am giving iPhone model number. If you want to also extract URL, then you can click on this extract URL on the column 2. But at this moment I don't want to extract URL. So once I click on next, it will show me how the sorry, it will show me the preview data. Once it is extracted, how it will be. So you can see maximum number of results. Here by default the bot has selected 100, but as I told you in my requirement, it is only 30, so I have selected only 30. So again I am clicking on extract correlated data. I mean to say what are the next information I want to extract from the website. So I want to extract this prices. So I have clicked on price. So again I need to select on twice because it is in a pattern. Unless and until it is not in a pattern, it will not select, as I told you. And the name of the header I'm giving as a price, and I'm clicking on next. So you can see the preview data. The first column is of iPhone model number, and the second one is of price. So again still I want to select this ROM or this memory, internal memory. Next. As I told you, it has to be in a pattern. Let's say this is ROM. The text column name I have given as ROM. So again, one more thing I just want to copy, that is like camera features. Again I'm selecting the camera. So camera features. So if I select next, it will show the preview data. Since I'll show you one more thing. You can see this page has only 24 data, But as I told you that I want 30 data, so the bot has to go to the next page. So I'll show you how the bot is going to select the next page. Once I give finish, it will ask me whether I want to go to the next page or not. Next button you can see here. So since there are only 24 data in this page, so the remaining 6 data will be taken from the page number 2. So I'm selecting this yes, and the bot will select this next button to go to the next page. So I've selected that. So you can see that this activity is already done, so it's completed, I mean to say. So I am joining these nodes to the data scraping. I'll click here so that I can show you the activities and all. See here, these are all the activities, property part. One more thing I want to tell you is, whatever the extracted data, I just want to rename that table name. So I'll go to the variable. Here I'll give the variable name is, let's say, Flipkart data table. So once I click here, then you can see even the property name has also changed to one second. Okay, yes, you can see the output data table name has also changed to Flipkart data. Now I want to extract this, or I want to load this data into a CSV or Excel. So again, I am going to the activity and then I'm typing write CSV, because I want to whatever the data has been extracted till now, I want to load that into a Excel sheet. So I have double clicked here, and it is automatically, you can see that it is automatically connected. So the table name, once I give Flipkart, it will automatically select, because I have already given this variable name. So I'm clicking that. So where do you want to store this data? So let's say I want to store this data somewhere in a local drive C and temp file. Okay, so inside that I want to select I want to store that data, whatever the data has been copied. So I'm just copying for my reference, so that I will not forget once it is downloaded. So I'm pasting this this location into my in my notepad. So I'm saving this one. So now the bot is complete. I hope this will run fine. So I'm closing this website Flipkart. So now I'll click onto the start button. Now what the bot will do is, like, it will open the Flipkart, it will search for iPhone, it will search all the different details there, and it will write that data into a CSV or Excel thing. So I'm running this bot now. You can either type F5 or run. So I'm running this one. You can see the Flipkart URL is open, page is open. Wow, so quickly. I hope this data is there into this C drive, and then temp. Let's go there. One second, sorry. Nice. Oh wow, that's great. Just see, just see the time. It's 9:06. Even my laptop time is showing as 9:06. That means just now it has, downloaded the report from the website. So see here, whatever the features, whatever the table name I had given, based on that only it has copied. So it should copy the 30. And see the count also, it's copying the 30. So see how I have created this simple bot using the community version of UiPath. Even you guys can do this one, and I wanted to tell you that this is very simple, and if you have any confusion, you can follow this video, and then you can try to create the similar kind of video, I'm sorry, bot at your home. And if you find any difficulties, or if you find any technical stuff that it is not allowing you to do the same thing what I have performed just now, then you can comment on below this video, or you can also email me on my email address. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye.